If you're anything like me, my retainer is a big part of my nightly routine, right? I have to put in my retainer every night to make sure that my teeth aren't moving. I don't have a retainer cleaner, honestly. Usually what I do is I just brush my retainer, but I am worried that I'm probably not getting off everything that I should. So really excited to try this particular solution. So this is a retainer cleaner, and this was sent to me for review, but definitely something that I will be using all the time because this is your mouth, right? You want to make sure that whatever you're putting in your mouth is going to be free of bacteria and going to make sure that it's going to be clean and sanitary, right? So this is a device that allows you to do that. What's great about this one, and you can see how it opens really awesome there, but you can actually use this for aligners, for dentures, for retainers, and also for guards. So depending on what you have in your mouth, maybe you're somebody that bites your tongue at night, maybe you're somebody that clenches their jaw, so you have some different apparatuses that you can use to make sure that your mouth is going to be safe and secure. So those are all able to be cleaned with this, which is awesome. So you do have UV deep cleaning, which I thought was really cool. You have sound wave cleaning as well, and you have 4 different cleaning modes, so you can toggle between those depending on your preferences. So this looks really awesome. Again, I've never had one of these, so I'm really excited to try it out. So let's get out of the box and take a look. So here is the unit itself, and look at how cool that looks. I feel like it looks a little science fiction, but it looks really cool. So I like this. I think this will be really, really cool just to even have on, you know, your nightstand, or maybe you have it in your bathroom, right? I like that it's not ugly. It's aesthetically pleasing, which is cool. And it's in this beautiful black. And then here you have like more of a mirrored kind of view on that. And then you have a power button, super simple to operate. And then if you open this here, if you look on the inside, you can see something that's labeled as max. So I'm assuming that's like the max fill if you're putting water or anything in there. But this looks great. Again, super easy to operate. So you do get the unit itself, and then you do get a power cord. You also have these, which I thought was cool. So little tongs, just so that you can pick up your retainer and put it in there so you're not having to touch it with your hands. And then of course, anything electronic, you always want to make sure that you're getting some kind of a manual to help you operate it. So super simple. Again, it goes through exactly what are the components of the unit, and then it gives you information regarding the features. So this one specifically is an ultrasonic retainer cleaner with 45,000 hertz frequency to penetrate even the deepest. So again, if you have any kind of contamination on your retainer, you want to make sure that you get that off. It also has the 4 UVA UVC lights, which can effectively remove 99.99% of invisible dirt, more effective and more thorough. So that is fantastic. So it looks so easy, honestly. I'm gonna go ahead and get it started, and then let's see how it works. Here it is, we're ready to do the demo. So you can see I added water just up to that max line. It's a little bit below that. So then now you can see that I have my retainer here. So I'm gonna go ahead and just grab the retainer pieces, pop them in there. And then in this case, I have 2. So I have to look to see if I can do, and it looks like I can put them down so that, they're kind of going a little bit deeper in the water. So that's good. So I'm gonna go ahead and try to clean them both at once. And then you have this, which is a little drain basket. So I'm assuming that I can just pop that up there and then drain them once I'm done. So I'm going to go ahead and close this, and then you can see here that I have the power button. So nice and easy. I'm just going to go ahead and turn that on. So okay, so see, you can see the green light. So the green light indicates 5 minutes of ultrasonic with UV light, and you can see that I am getting a countdown here. If I hit it again, I'm going to get a red light, and that's going to be 10 minutes pulse with UV light. So now if I hit it again, I'll get a blue light, and this is going to be 10 minutes of ultrasonic only. And then if I have the next one, that's like a multicolor, right? You see a green, a red, and a blue. So that's going to be 10 minutes of UV only. So you have different options, right? Depending on your preferences there, which is great. So yeah, so once this ticks down, so I'm going to go ahead and probably put it on I might do the red light. Let's try that one. So you can see that it is counting down. So once it's done, what I'm going to do is go ahead and just open it up, take a look, see what's going on there, and then I will dump out the water and see where we are with the clean. We are coming down to the last few seconds. You can see 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. So it is done. So you can see here, wow. And look at how gross that water is. I'm embarrassed to show you that because that means probably all the filth that came from my retainer. So I'm gonna go ahead and pull this out, and wow, even just looking at that, holy cow. If you recall what it looked like in the very beginning, it was very kind of cloudy and gross, but holy moly, that looks pretty clear again, which is awesome. I'm gonna go ahead and grab the other one here. But wow, yeah, because a lot of that water you can see is just super cloudy and super gross. So that means that it took a lot of that yuckiness off of my retainer, which is fantastic because that means I'm not putting it in my mouth. But yes, super, super easy to use. Again, I can even leave my retainer here on this little drip tray, and that'll help me to make sure that it, gets all the water off of it. But overall, I really like this. Super easy to use. I like that you have different options, right? So you have 4 different cycles that you can go through as far as the cleaning. But even just looking at that water, I know this works because that is gross. So again, so glad that that's not on my retainer anymore. But this is super easy to use. I love how lightweight it is because again, you can pick it up and move it as needed. I also love how beautiful it looks. Again, something like this you don't really imagine to be super aesthetic, but I actually like the way this looks. I would feel confident having this displayed in my bathroom so that I can clean my retainer at any time. So yes, definitely recommend this one. Awesome, super easy to use, and you can see the results.